Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Fluent. I'm really happy you're here with us today. It honestly feels great to sit down and chat with you all again.
Hey, yes, welcome back everyone. Hope you're doing amazing today. We've got something super practical and fun lined up for you.
Definitely, and I was just thinking before we started, sleep is literally something we all talk about every single day, right? Like it's universal.
Exactly, and today we're diving into sleep phrasal verbs explained in real-life English. These are the expressions native speakers use when talking about sleep in normal daily conversations.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to understand and use natural sleep expressions like a native speaker. No more confusion, no more textbook English.
Quick question for everyone listening, what's the last thing you say before going to sleep in English? Comment it below, we really want to see your answers.
And if you're new here, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Talk Fluent so you don't miss more real-life English lessons like this.
Alright, let's jump straight into it and break everything down step by step.
So first, let's understand what phrasal verbs are in a simple way. A phrasal verb is when a verb combines with a small word like up, off, out, or in, and together they create a new meaning.
Right, and when we talk about sleep phrasal verbs, we're talking about expressions like fall asleep, wake up, sleep in, or doze off. These are super common in daily American English.
The structure is usually simple, subject plus verb plus particle. For example, I fall asleep early or she wakes up at 7.
Let's look at some examples. I fall asleep while watching Netflix. I wake up late on weekends. I sleep in every Sunday. I doze off during class sometimes.
I love that because it's so real. Like I literally say I doze off when I'm tired during meetings. It feels natural, not formal.
And listeners, try this right now. Make your own sentence using fall asleep and say it out loud. Don't just think it, speak it.
Also, let's talk about negatives. You can say I can't fall asleep or I didn't sleep well. These are very common in everyday conversations.
Can you try saying one negative sleep sentence right now? Pause and say it out loud before continuing.
Another important thing is variation. You don't always say sleep. You can say pass out informally when someone is extremely tired or falls asleep quickly.
So to summarize this section, sleep phrasal verbs are simple combinations like fall asleep, wake up, sleep in, and doze off. And they're used all the time in real English conversations.
Now let's build on that and go a little deeper into how these expressions are used in real situations.
One important thing is context. For example, sleep in doesn't just mean sleeping. It means waking up later than usual, especially on weekends or holidays.
Like if I say I slept in today, it means I didn't wake up early. Maybe I was tired or just enjoying my day off.
And wake up is not just opening your eyes. It can also mean becoming aware of something. But today we're focusing on sleep meaning only.
Let's do a small conversation. Hey, why are you late? I slept in, that's it. Super natural, super simple.
Compare that with formal English. You might say, I overslept. That sounds a bit more formal or written, but in casual speech people often say I slept in or I knocked out.
Oh yeah, knocked out is another informal one. Like, I was so tired I knocked out at 9 p.m.
First tip, use sleep in for relaxed mornings. Second, use doze off for accidentally sleeping. Third, use wake up for daily routine.
Now I want you to write one sentence using sleep in the comments. Let's see how creative you are.
And don't worry about mistakes. The more you try, the more natural you'll sound.
Now let's move to another important layer of sleep phrasal verbs and how they sound in real conversations.
We also need to talk about tone. For example, I crashed or I passed out are very casual and informal ways to say you fell asleep quickly because you were exhausted.
Like imagine this situation. You come home after a long day and your friend asks, "What did you do?" You say, "I just crashed on the bed."
That sounds very natural in American English, but you wouldn't use it in a job interview or formal writing.
Right? In formal situations, you'd stick to, "I went to sleep early" or "I fell asleep early."
Let's compare informal, I passed out at 10, formal, I went to sleep at 10 because I was tired.
Now here's a mini practice. If you're talking to your friend, what would you say? Try saying it out loud right now.
Another useful tip is stress and emotion. I can't fall asleep shows frustration. I finally fell asleep shows relief.
Good point. English isn't just words, it's feelings too.
So listeners, try speaking one full sentence about your sleep routine using any of these expressions. Say it out loud, not just in your head.
Okay, now let's talk about common mistakes learners make with sleep phrasal verbs.
Yes, this is important because small mistakes can make your English sound unnatural.
First mistake, saying I sleep late yesterday. That's incorrect.
Correct version is I went to sleep late yesterday or I slept late yesterday.
Second mistake, I am sleeping at 10 every day. That sounds wrong for habits.
Better is I go to sleep at 10 every day.
Third mistake, confusing wake up and get up. They are related but not the same. You wake up when your eyes open. You get up when you leave the bed.
So I woke up at 7 but got up at 7:30.
Fourth mistake is overusing formal English in casual talk, like saying I retired to bed early. Nobody says that in daily life.
Instead say I went to bed early or I slept early.
And honestly, I used to make these mistakes too when I was learning, so don't feel bad.
Yeah, mistakes are totally normal. That's how you learn.
Try this, comment one incorrect sentence you've heard before and we'll help you fix it.
And remember, the goal is not perfection, it's communication.
Now let's do a fun interactive practice. I'll give you two options and you choose the correct one.
Ready, let's go.
Situation 1, you didn't wake up early today. I slept in today. B, I sleep in today.
Correct answer is A because it happened in the past.
Situation 2, you are talking about your habit. I wake up at 6 every day. B, I woke up at 6 every day.
Correct answer is A.
Situation 3, you fell asleep suddenly because you were tired. I dozed off. B, I dozing off.
Correct is A.
Situation 4, you couldn't sleep last night. I can't fall asleep last night. B, I couldn't fall asleep last night.
Correct is B.
Now say your answers out loud. Don't just listen, practice speaking.
Also try changing tone. Say it like you're talking to a friend, then like you're telling a story.
And here's your challenge. Create one sentence using wake up and one using fall asleep and post them in the comments.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Alright, let's wrap everything up and bring it all together.
Today we learned three main things: fall asleep and wake up basics, sleep in and doze off for natural usage, and informal expressions like crash and pass out.
And we also learned how important context is. The same idea can sound formal or casual depending on the words you choose.
So here's a question for you. What sleep expression are you going to start using in your daily English conversations?
I really hope you feel more confident now. Even small improvements like these can make your English sound much more natural.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Talk Fluent. And definitely comment your practice sentences below.
We read your comments and it helps us create better lessons for you, so don't be shy, write something.
Keep practicing every day, even if it's just one sentence. That's how real fluency builds.
Thanks for spending time with us today. You're doing amazing, seriously.
And remember, English is not about perfection, it's about connection.
We'll see you in the next episode.
See you next time.